What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we will be doing something different. Well, I bought a few stuff from Gamers Hideout from a local store. I found something interesting and I wanted to try and give it a go, and I bought it. So before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in my video and let me know what I can do better, and let me know what you guys enjoy and things like that down in the comment section below. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what I found from Gamers Hideout. It's a Pokémon Mystery Pack. What is guaranteed inside is a silver Tempest pack, booster pack, and a trick or trade pack, and two random packs. It could be from Stellar Crown, Twilight Masquerade, Shrouded Fable, Paradox Rift, or Scarlet and Violet base set. So this is what we'll be opening today. But before that, put this aside, I bought 6 Silver Tempest booster packs that we can open, and we will be opening before we open the mystery pack. So let's get started with this. Okay, let's go with our first pack. I've been trying to find the 151 booster packs or any products, but it's just hard to find it around my area. But if I see one, I'll definitely get one. Okay, let's go with our first pack. I really hope we can pull the Lugia, but yeah, it's actually not easy, but we'll see. The card trick is remove the code card 4 from the back, and let's go. I'm still not used to it. I usually just open them, but I'll try to implement it. Altaria, Marini, Miss Dravis, Wilmer, Swirlix, 3P, Brixen Reverse Hollow, and an Incineroar. First pack, no luck. No first pack magic. But it's okay, we have 5 more. Let's hope we can at least get one hit. Okay, moving on to the second one. This is my first ever Sword and Shield pack opening. It's quite nice. I prefer Sword and Shield cards. Scarlet and Violet, they are nice, but Sword and Shield is good. Is really good. Okay, remove the code card. 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go. Water Energy, Palisand, Dragonair, Toxicroak, Rufflet, Fennekin, Durant, Emolga, Beldum, Ariados, ooh, a Crobat Hollow Foil. Damn, that looks good. Let's leave that. I just recovered from a sickness I just got. That's why I sound like this. But yeah, that's our first hit. Looks good. Where can I put this? Slip it here. Okay, moving on to our third pack. I see a lot of Chilling Reign and Lost Origin packs around my local stores, and I feel like I'm gonna get them because it's quite hard to find, and the price are quite reasonable, so I might just get them. Okay, our third pack. Let's go with our third pack. Code card, 4 from the back, and green and leaf energy, emergency jelly, Araquanid, I don't know, Litten, Rufflet. Oh, it's all over the place, man. Fennekin, Durant, Emolga, ooh, Worker, Reverse Hollow, and Milotic. Another miss. Okay, moving on to our next one. Next, but ooh, Pikachu. Okay, code card. 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Krokorok. Ooh, I think it's a hit. Behium, Braixen, Pikachu, Noibat, Togedemaru, Sandile, Swirlix. Ooh, Vulpix. Looks good. Reverse Hollow and ooh, Skuntank. Full art. I don't know what this is, but damn. Illustration rare? I don't know. But damn, it looks good. Damn. Sleeve that up. Skuntank V. Second hit. 2 more packs to go. Damn, this Pikachu looks good. Next pack. Second last pack. I don't even know what Pokemon, what full arts, what art rares are in here. So I'm just hoping for the Lugia. Card. 4 on the back. Grass Energy, Wailord, Raichu, Torracat, Wilmer, Dratini, Feebas, Fanpy, Litten, Reverse Hollow, Clang. Wow, another miss. And the last pack from our Silver Tempest packs. Can we get a hit? Last pack magic, man. Can we get last pack magic? Oh no. Code card. 4 from the back. Fire Energy, Curlia, Venomoth, Wallace, Venonat, Dewpider, Spinda, Feebas, Noibat, Sunkern. Oh, we end with a miss. Damn. It's okay, we have the mystery pack. Let's see what we can get. So these are 2 hits from those 6 packs. Quite decent. Let's move on with our mystery pack. Let's see what we get. Yeah, this is quite interesting. I've never bought a mystery pack before. Okay. There is our Silver Tempest pack. Damn, they folded it like that. That's crazy. Silver Tempest. Mystery packs. Okay. 3 packs. This is a trick or treat. Okay. Shrouded Fable, and a Paradox Rift. Okay, we'll go with the Trick or Trade, Paradox Rift, Shrouded Fable, and Silver Tempest, the last one. Let's see what we can get from this Trick or Trade. It's probably the worst set they've ever released, but we'll take it. Let's just put it from the back. Ghastly. Ooh! A Gengar! Damn! That looks good. Look at that. Damn, that's nice. Let's leave that up. Gengar, Gengar. Gengar. Okay, let's move to our next pack. Paradox Rift. Never opened a Paradox Rift pack. It's my first ever pack. Oh no. Paradox Rift. Let's see what we can get. Card. I think it's one from the back, right? Yeah. Lightning Energy, Oricorio, Swablu, Pensier, Nickit, Snorlax Doll. Ooh, it's a hit. Tinkaton, Tatsugiri, Wimpod, Reverse Hollow, Luxurious Cape, Reverse Hollow. Oh, Skeledirge EX. Okay, not bad. Double rare. Not bad. Might buy more of these mystery packs. It's fun. Put it here. Next one, the Shrouded Fable pack. I'm only missing one, which is the Duskull Dusk. I don't know what is it. This one, I don't know what's his name. But yeah, I'm missing one. Duskull. I don't know. Try to find it if we can. Oh my god. Okay, I damaged a card. Okay, good card. One from the back. Lightning Energy, Golbat, Meowth, Zubat, Drowsy, Crobat, Janine, Secret Art, Iron Moth. I think it's a hit. Binding Mochi, Sneasel. Oh, got tricked. It's just a hex. It's a Hexaurus holofoil. Move on to our final one. Silver Tempest booster pack. Lugia. Last pack. Can we get last pack magic? Lugia, man. I just need that Lugia, man. Clean. Code card. 4 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Donphan. Fury Sword Girl, I don't know, breaks in. Oh, it's a hit. Damn. Bunnery, Dreepy, Fanpy, Fletchling, Feebas, Rayquaza VMAX! Oh my god! Rayquaza VMAX and a Skuntank again, but what the? Dude, this is insane. Rayquaza VMAX. No way. Oh my god, look at that. Damn, it's crazy. Damn, it's probably the most beautiful card I've seen. Damn, my first ever VMAX, by the way. First ever VMAX. Damn, look at that. Oh my god, I thought it was just this Skuntank. Kantang. Look at that. Damn. I am still in disbelief. Oh my goodness. I didn't know Rayquaza was in this set. Damn. So yeah guys. Mystery pack. We have Shrouded, Paradox, Trick or Treat, and a Silver Tempest. And from the mystery pack, we got this 4 hits. 4 packs, 4 hits. And it's not really a hit. I don't know. I think it is a hit, but look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Damn, bro. Holy. So yeah. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I might buy more mystery packs. This was fun. And the Rayquaza, man. Oh my goodness. Crazy. I'll see you guys in the next video. And please do not forget to comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what I should do next, or let me know how I can improve my channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.